Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to start your Tunisian crochet project and how to do the first row. So in order to start your first row you need to do a slip knot. So this is how I start my slip knot. I started with the pretzel method. There you go. And then you need to chain the number of chains that you will need for your project. So for this tutorial I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then what you need to do is you need to turn your chain around, and we will be working into the back bumps of the chain stitches. So these are the back bumps of the chain stitches. So what you need to do, you need to insert the hook into the back bump, yarn over, and you pull up a loop, and we do that all the way back to our first chain. Okay, so this is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we've got the chain 10. We've got 10 loops on our hook, and we can start. We can go ahead and do the back or return pass. So what we need to do first, we need to chain 1. So we yarn over and pull through the first loop. Then we yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to the end. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You will use this method, this return pass method, for most of your project, unless you work a lace stitches. But for 99% of your projects, the back row will be always the same. And there you go, there's your first row of your Tunisian crochet project.